हाय वेलकम टू इंस्टाग्राम। इसमें हम बात करने वाले मनोन्मियम सुंदरनार यूनिवर्सिटी असाइनमेंट्स के बारे में। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग। माय नंबर इज 9009368238. First of all, you can save this number and contact us anytime on our WhatsApp, or you can call our number. This is the paper which we are providing the solution of this paper and other kind of services. So if you want these services, contact us anytime. We will provide all the solutions for your problems. Now let us discuss about the paper. So first of all, this is the first paper in which only two questions are there: Vedic period, Chandragupta Maurya, Mahajanpad, and Gold Age of Guptas. Similarly, in the second paper, so this is the sociocultural history of Tamil Nadu up to 1565. So in this question also there are two papers, so two questions. So list out Sangam literatures, explain the origin of Pallavas, write an essay of Madurai Meenakshi Amman temple, and the last one, assess the administration of Vijayanagar Empire. So if you want the answer of these papers, you can contact us anytime. Third paper is History of World Civilization excluding India. So what are the four major civilizations of the world and their origins? Explain. Second is describe the Japanese civilization and culture. Explain the origin of the Harappan Mesopotamian civilization. And the fourth one is what city best represented the spread of Hellenism? Explain. Now the next paper is Indian art and architecture. Describe the features of Pallava's art and architecture. Estimate the colonial architecture. Write an essay on Gupta's art and architecture. Bring out the Shah Jahan's contribution for the Mughal art and architecture. And the last one paper is Administrative History of Tamil Nadu. The following Justice Party achievers are given below. Explain. Subrayulu Reddyar A. Panangal Raja and Subbuyurayan P. Second one is describe the early life of Mr. Kamaraj and his achievement in politics. The second one, who started free education of all until PUC. Explain. And the last one is explain the tree welfare measures implemented by Jayalalitha. So, if you are looking for these answers, contact us anytime. We are providing the answers of these papers. Kindly contact us and we will provide accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you soon on the WhatsApp.